If you want to make money online but don't want to depend only on eBay, there are several powerful alternatives in 2026 that can help you reach more customers and increase your sales. In this video, I'm going to show you the best eBay alternatives for sellers and how each one works. The first alternative is Amazon. It's one of the largest marketplaces in the world, with millions of buyers ready to purchase every day. It's ideal if you want to sell new products and build a scalable business. Amazon also offers fulfillment services, which means they can store and ship your products for you, making the process much easier. The next platform is Etsy. This is perfect if you sell handmade products, vintage items, or anything creative. Buyers on Etsy are looking for unique and personalized products, so it's a great place to stand out and build a brand. Another great option is Facebook Marketplace. This platform is ideal for selling locally, especially items like furniture, electronics, or things you want to sell quickly. One big advantage is that you usually don't have to pay fees, and you can connect directly with buyers in your area. You can also use Mercury. Mercury is very beginner-friendly and easy to use. It's great for selling everyday items like clothes, gadgets, and household products, and listings can be created very quickly from your phone. If you're focused on fashion, Poshmark is a strong option. It specializes in clothing, shoes, and accessories, and it has a very active community. You can also grow by sharing listings and engaging with other users on the platform. Another interesting platform is Bonanza. It's similar to eBay but with lower fees and less competition, which can be helpful if you're just starting out or selling niche products. And finally, Depop is becoming very popular, especially among younger audiences. It's perfect for trendy fashion, streetwear, and secondhand clothing, and it works a lot like a social media platform. The key strategy is not to rely on just one platform. Many successful sellers use multiple marketplaces at the same time to reach more buyers and increase their income, and that's it. These are some of the best eBay alternatives for sellers in 2026. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more online business tutorials.